Welcome. In last class, we have discussed about beam of light. Now, we will discuss different types of the beam of the light. The first type of the beam of light is called parallel beam of light. The parallel beam of light means here light rays are parallel to each other. You take this is first ray, second ray and third ray. All three are parallel to each other. Means there is no diversion, there is no conversion. All are parallel to each other. The angle between the rays is equal to 0 degree. That type of arrangement is known as parallel beam of arrangement or parallel beam. Now how we define parallel beam? Parallel beam means rays of light are parallel to each other. Now, the second type of beam of light is called convergent beam of light. Convergent beam of light means, in this case, the rays of light are converging at a single point. Converging means meeting. If rays of light are meeting at a single point, that arrangement is known as what? Convergent beam arrangement. Is it clear? Here all the light rays are meeting at a single point O. This is known as convergent beam of arrangement. Now the last type of beam is known as divergent beam of light. Divergent beam of light means here all the light rays are going from a single point, or all the rays of light are going or diverging from a single point. Now look at here, at single point O, this is first ray, second ray and third ray. From a single point all the rays are diverging or all the rays are going. This is known as divergent beam of light. Therefore, parallel beam of light, convergent beam of light and divergent beam of light. Okay. Now, image of the object. Now, what is the meaning of image? Image means it is the exact copy of the object. If you take the image of the tree, inside the image you will get the tree. If you take the image of the building, in that image you are getting the building. Therefore, whatever in the object, that exact copy is in the image, or it is a geometrical replica of the object. It is known as image. Now how we define image? It is the geometrical replica of an object. Now how will you get the image? The image is forming with the phenomena like reflection of the light and refraction of the light. Therefore, reflection and the reflection or refraction. By using these phenomena, we are getting the image. With the help of mirrors and with the help of some lenses. Mirror may be concave mirror, convex mirror. Lens may be concave lens or convex lens. Depending upon the lenses, we are getting the image. This is about image. Okay. In the image, we are classifying image into mainly two types of the images. The first type of the image is known as real image. Now what is the meaning of real image? Real image is the image. Here we can see the image and we can caught on the screen. That type of the image is called real image. Is it clear? The real images can be seen with the eye and it can be stored or we can see on the screen. That type of the image is called real image. Now how we define real image? It is an image that can be seen and caught on the screen. Now this is the real image. Now what is the special feature of the real image? The real image is always inverted. Now this is the object. Here on the screen you are getting the reverse image or inverted image. Therefore, the real images are always inverted images. Now, the second speciality of this is, this can be formed by convergent beam of the light. Now, like this. When the rays of light are converging, after refraction or after reflection, we are getting the inverted image or real image. Is it clear? Now, what is the speciality of the real image? It can be seen and caught on the screen. Real images are always inverted. The real images can be formed by convergent rays of light. This is about real image. Okay. After real image, the second type of the image is called virtual image. Virtual image, it is the type of the image. Here, in this particular case, we can see the image, but it cannot be caught on the screen. Is it clear? By our eyes, we can see the virtual image, but if you put any screen in front of this, the image is not forming on the screen. That type of the image is known as virtual image. Now, how we define virtual image? It is an image in which it can be seen but cannot be caught on the screen. Now, what is the speciality of the virtual image? In the virtual image, it is non-inverted image. Non-inverted image means it is not reverse image. If here if you take the person image will be like this only. You can see this. But if you put, you cannot see on the screen, but you can see with your eyes. That type of the image is called virtual image. Now, another property is, this can be formed by, that is, the virtual image can be formed by divergent beam of light. By using divergent beam or divergent rays, we can get the virtual image. In the vehicles, when we are traveling in the vehicles, the vehicle mirror, what we are seeing, that is virtual image. Therefore, we cannot get reverse of the objects like cars, buses, etc. We can see on the mirror, but if you keep one paper there, you cannot get on the screen. And the virtual image is not inverted. You can easily see in the buses, cars, etc. They are not inverted. Is it clear? Therefore, it is virtual image. Therefore, in the images, there are mainly two types of the images: real images and virtual images. This is about images.